Then the last video I made about this pair was a selling bias all throughout for the breakouts. And guess what? The market has just broke the trend line. So now we're about to enter, about to look at about to look out for a sell on a higher time frame now. So my bias on this pair is still as the same. Selling, selling. We are still on the sell side. So this was my 50% endorsement. Market went up and completed 50% and the fair value gap there. Then came down to here and went up again. Then I didn't want this. I didn't want this market to go above here. See, I didn't want it to go above here before. But guess what happened? Market went above it, but then that's not my problem as long as this market didn't go above here. So I'm still looking out for a selling opportunity. But what happened here on this trend line breakout that caused this choke, choke. I wanted this market to pull back enough, but guess what? I didn't enter this trade. But right now, this market wants to start buying. It wants to pull back again. Wants to pull back, but I'm not going to trade this market.